Curious about what the pool guys are doing in your pool? Today, I want to introduce you to a fantastic tool that will let you see exactly what we're doing during our monthly service visits.
Meet PoolBrain. PoolBrain is a cloud-based pool management software that we use to streamline our services. The best part? You can log in to see what we've done during each visit, right from the comfort of your home.
With PoolBrain, you can get real-time updates on what we're doing during our service visits. From chemical adjustments to filter cleanings, it's all there. Transparency is important to us.
With PoolBrain, you can see exactly what chemicals we've used, how much, and why. This way, you're always in the loop. With PoolBrain, not only can you see the immediate actions we're taking during our service visits, but you can also witness the constant upgrades and improvements we're making to our service. Our commitment is to provide you with the best pool care. You can see that commitment in action. One of the standout features is the real-time tracking. You can know the exact moment our pool technician arrives at your property and when they leave. This gives you a clear picture of the time and effort we invest in ensuring your pool is in pristine condition.
We believe this will enhance your experience with JMC Pools. If you have any questions or need help getting started, don't hesitate to reach out.